Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making some popcorn chicken and I just took them out from deep frying. Now these are KFC style popcorn chicken, which means they are spicy and crunchy on the outside. It's very simple to make them and I'll show you step by step on how to do that. So if you're ready, we can get started. First thing first, we need to prepare our chicken. Now I have already cut my chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. I have 350-gram chicken breast here, which is like a large chicken breast. And all you gotta do is cut them in just bite-sized pieces. So now that chicken is ready, I'm going to marinate it. For that, I'm putting some salt and some black pepper powder. Both are half teaspoon. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder because I want it to be very spicy. Half teaspoon of garlic, which will give it nice flavor. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for the kick. I have 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. You can just use any chili sauce. And then all you gotta do is combine everything. Now the spices will help it get a lot of flavor, and milk that I have added will make it really tender. So I have added quarter cup of milk and then you want to rest it. So I'm putting a cling film on and now I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Now I am making the crunchy coating. For that I have taken 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and to that I'm going to add 1/4 cup of corn flour. Now for seasoning, I'm adding some salt and black pepper, and there is some cayenne pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some oregano. So all of these are gonna make this coating very flavorful, and it's gonna make the popcorn chicken very tasty. So mix everything nicely, and now it's time to take an egg. So I have 1 egg here, which you just wanna beat up to break it. And now 1 hour has passed, so I have taken out my chicken breast from the fridge. Now I'm going to pour this egg on this chicken. So just dump it in and now just mix it in nicely. Okay, so now it's time to do the coating. For that, first I'm taking the chicken pieces one by one and I'm putting them on the flour mixture. Now using a fork or a hand, you gotta coat them very nicely. Then you want to take it in a tray or something, leave it there, and we are going to double coat them. So after coating all of the chicken pieces, whatever marination is left, just put some water there and then you put the chicken pieces back there. So we want to do double coating so that when we fry them, the coating doesn't leave off chicken. That's why the whole purpose is. Plus, double coating makes it really crunchy and nice. But it's a personal preference. You can skip that. But I would suggest double coating. Now that all my chicken has been coated, I'm putting a pan on the stove. To that, I'm putting a lot of oil for deep frying. And when the oil is medium hot or maybe uh, really hot, you want to put in your chicken pieces one by one. And I stirred them from time to time so that they get fried from all the sides. And finally, after 7-8 minutes, they are done like this. So these are KFC style popcorn chicken. They are spicy and very crunchy from the outside and taste even better than KFC. Try it at home if you like this kind of popcorn chicken. If you succeed, let me know on the comment box. I would love to read your comments. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Take care and bye.